Welcome to Research Revealed, a series from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at the University of Texas at Arlington. In this episode, we highlight the work of Professor Kenny Zhu, who is using artificial intelligence to better understand how animals communicate. Professor Zhu leads a project called Animal Language Processing and Understanding. His team studies whether the sounds made by animals contain structure and meaning similar to human language.
In our team, we primarily collect our data from the internet. So we basically scrape videos of animal vocalizing, particularly dogs and cats, from YouTube, from Reddit, from TikTok, primarily domestic animals. They have a large presence online. So we think that collecting data online is a good source. Another possibility is actually do live recording. So we are currently in the process of setting up a pilot program to recruit up to 20 different families from the DFW area to participate in the recording.
The goal is to determine whether particular sounds consistently express specific meanings. By identifying these links, the team hopes to create what they call a canine phonetic alphabet, a framework for understanding the basic sounds of dog communication.
Current research, we have already discovered that there's a certain amount of structure in dog language. Specifically, we have discovered a set of phonemes, which are actually the minimum acoustic units that may have significance in their vocalization. So with this set of phonemes, we can further organize them into what we call canine words. And these canine words are supposed to have some meaning. We are not exactly sure about the meaning, but what we do know is that there is some statistical correlation between these words and the surrounding context.
This research also offers insights into the nature of intelligence itself. By studying communication in non-human species, Professor Zhu and his team hope to uncover what aspects of language are unique to humans and what might be shared across all intelligent life.
So obviously, dogs and cats are humans' best friends, right? So there's a huge amount of interest in the public about how to communicate with their pets more effectively, how to know the wants and needs of their pets, and then if there's any health issues with their pets. So all of that actually can be potential downstream applications for this research. Because as we know, if we can understand the communication of cats and dogs, we will be able to know the reason for their behaviors much better, and then potentially be able to provide better care for these animals. As for other larger animals, we are also looking at, for example, farm animals. So we have started a collaboration with Texas A&M on precision livestock farming. So in that project, basically we're trying to take advantage of cattle communication and trying to catch early signs of wellness issues, and then being able to do early prediction, early intervention. So this kind of research obviously can benefit the productivity of the farms to avoid widespread diseases in this kind of farms, and therefore there's definitely economical outcomes.
Professor Kenny Zhu's work on animal language is expanding our understanding of communication, intelligence, and the surprising ways machines can help us listen to the world around us.